Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to set a front page or the landing page, or what you can call it as well, the home page for your WordPress website. So first of all, make sure that you are on your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and just like so it will be open for you. Of course you will need to put your username and password later on. Now after this page opens, please go ahead and open this page section and let's create a new page. And from here we create let's write, for example, front page. Here we can add whatever you like. Let's close this. This is only the SEO pack. Here we can add whatever it is, and also there's a lot of other like details that you can add. So now we will focus on making it our landing page. So you go to view page, and it's not really our landing page, it's not really the home page of this website. So what you gotta do, if for example if we click on our dashboard and from here we click on visit site, it will take us to home page. We don't want this, we want it to go to the front page. So customize home page settings. If you have it on your latest post, make it on static page. From here you make it on front page, just like so. So publish, and if we go back to where we were at the beginning, which is the dashboard, and we clicked on visit site, what page must be shown is the front page, not the home page. So as you can see, this is the front page and it is shown as the home page for my website. So yeah guys, once again what you have to do is go to your dashboard, create a new page, add it, save it, make any details for it, and then right after that go to your site, customize it, go to here, home page settings, make it on static page, and then choose your page. Of course you can add a new page from here directly, or choose a post from a page exactly to be here. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually add a landing page or front page for your website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.